We, OFM, LIMBE 1, Cameroon, we want to wish our father a glorious happy birthday, the Restoration Apostle. Daddy, on this occasion, I want to say thank you for being a good father to us. Thank you for praying for us. Thank you for standing by us. Thank you because you love us from your heart. Daddy, we want to say, may the Lord bless you. May the Lord be with you to the end. You will not fail.
Daddy, with the whole house, with the whole of our hearts, we say happy birthday to you. Once again, the Father of all fathers, the Restoration Apostle, the oracle of our days. May the Lord continue to bless you, Daddy. May He continue to strengthen you. As you move all over the nations of this world, may God continue to keep you and preserve you in the name of Jesus. What do we say to our Father? Happy birthday, the Restoration Apostle. Hip, hip, hip.